Hey guys!
Hi guys!
So we are doing something a bit different on the slime channel. So I went to the dollar store and found this very cheap $4 slime kit. So this is the cheapest slime kit I've seen, so we're going to test it out.
Very exciting. It says, hold on. It says there's 4 different projects in one. So that's really exciting. And yeah, ready?
So
you want to unbox it?
Yeah, let's unbox it.
Oh wait, first off, show the back. That's the back.
There's the back.
Ready? Dump it. Dump the rest out. That's it.
Look at this. It's so cheap now. There's only this in here. Look at all that. Okay. I can already see some baking powder in there. There's no bowl.
How rude.
Slime sets would have a bowl. There's no bowl in this one. I think this is the powder.
Doesn't give a label on what this is.
Yeah, so that's basically baking powder. We have the white glue. It's a pretty small glue.
Spoon.
And we have some paint.
This weird thing that's already breaking.
Yeah, and like it doesn't really make sense. Like, why do you need a food coloring and a paint at the same time when you already have a food coloring? Okay, guys. So first we're gonna put the glue in, and it has those annoying seals.
Those things are so annoying.
Yeah. Why do they even need it?
Oh, it's clear.
Oh. Oh my god. It says white glue, but this is clear. I think I'm only going to add half of it. You can add the rest.
That's so dumb that they added white glue. It's obviously clear.
So, I think next we're actually going to add this. So, now we're going to put the food coloring in there. That's a lot.
And I'm going to wash my thing off.
I'm just going to mix this.
I'm really hoping this glows in the dark.
Oh, it's going down.
Oh, it feels so gross. Oh, it's turning into oobleck. So I'm going to pour the excess out, and Sebastian, I'll be back. Okay, guys, so we have it, and we're going to mix it into the slime.
And look, it's so messy, so I'm going to add it in. It's not clear anymore.
It's not thick anymore. It's not like something did it because it doesn't feel like oobleck.
It just doesn't.
Because it's not hard.
It's not doing anything.
Just made it a space. Whoa, yours is so pretty.
Is this just a fail?
Like the glue just melts it down.
It's not doing anything.
We need an activator. What is this? Because what?
For this challenge, we just need to add the actual thing in, but
unless something is if we're missing something,
we should just try that backup glue.
Yeah.
See if that will do anything.
Well, more so, you need an activator.
Shoot. Okay, guys, so we actually got a backup glue. I know that we're only using the ingredients in here, but
it's just a mess. Can you add some to mine? Okay, that's good. I want to turn this into something, but I can't think of what.
I'm gonna put the glow in dark powder.
No, that's just sand.
But that's probably the powder.
But the instructions said that was paint. It was the paint.
Did that just say that was the paint?
Oh God.
Then what's the glow in the dark thing? Nothing's happening.
It just makes it feel weird.
It just got even worse.
We have the exact same color.
Okay guys, so the way to fix it, we needed to add products which were not even in the set, and that was the only way to fix it. So everything in this set, we were scammed out of just $4. And this doesn't even stretch, so I can show you. This barely does anything. I think we just got scammed.
I'm just gonna add some food coloring to mine just so we can, because beforehand mine and Sebastian looked like our slimes. You can still see without like the dye where it is. There's like exactly the same colors.
I know, and guess what? Let's just dim the lights. It does not glow in the dark.
That's false advertisement.
And the box literally said glow in the dark. Let me show you.
It says it on the back.
Glow in the dark. I guess they're just too lazy to do this because, like, when you see how it's written, it's like sometimes the text is like this, and then sometimes they're so lazy that they just stack them on each other.
Sebastian, yours feels so much better.
What?
Okay, no offense, Sebastian, for interrupting you, but look at the bring the camera over here.
It said 4 different projects, and you can only make one or 2 slimes, so there is no 4 projects.
So, sorry for interrupting, Sebastian, but our consistency are completely different. Because mine, it's harder to stretch and isn't as soft. You can feel the sand a lot more in mine than yours, even though you added more sand.
But we just got scammed, so
Damn.
So never trust cheap products, so you know what I have to do? Smash it! Cheap quality sucks! Trust this slime because we just got scammed.
Honestly, in my personal opinion, it's the longer you let this slime like sit out, feels a bit better, but still is not worth your money and is a complete total scam, and it deserves to go in the trash. Goodbye.
And so don't always trust cheap quality because you can get scammed out of it. Scam. And yeah, that's all a scam, so.